What is up guys, Tanit this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files to a shared Google Drive folder. So first you need to head over to your Google Drive and then you need to click on new and then click on new folder. And then you just need to create a new folder by just naming it. After that, as you can see, I have given the name. I'll click on create. And after that, this is working and then the test folder has been created and it is auto selected. And at the top, you can see this share button. Click on the share button, and after that, you will be able to invite the another person that you want. Just give the general access to anyone with the link, and then from here, you can add the another person by just writing their email. And then here is the message that if you want to write the message, you can write it, and then click on send. And after that, when this loads complete and then the access has been updated, you just need to go to your Gmail and then you need to check for the invitation. As you can see, this is my another account and the email request has been received from here. This is the shared folder. I'll just simply click on open and then this will open the shared folder in my new account. And after that, what I simply need to do is click on new and then click on file upload. And then I can just simply upload the file, whatever file I want. So this is how you can upload files to a shared Google Drive folder. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.